Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the Recompose tool to edit photos by removing unwanted items or objects while allowing you to shift important points of interest. First, select an image that you would like to manipulate, and then choose Image, Recompose from the menu bar, or select the Recompose tool from the toolbox. To remove items from the photo, click the Mark for Removal tool in the Tool Options bar. Then adjust your brush size to your liking and set the threshold to control any distortion that occurs when using the tool. Next, paint in the item pixels you want to remove. If you make a mistake and want to adjust the pixels that you have painted, click the Erase Highlights Marked for Removal button and paint over the pixels to remove. If there are areas of the image you want to be sure to protect during the Recompose process so they are not removed or distorted, click the Mark for Protection button in the Tool Options bar. Then paint the pixels to protect. If you want to adjust that selection, click the Erase Highlights Marked for Protection button and paint to adjust the pixels. Once completed, click the resizing handles on the top, sides, or corners of the photo and slowly pull towards the middle. Once the unwanted pixels are no longer in the image, then release the mouse button. There will be both a small green check mark in the lower right corner of the photo, as well as a red circle. The green check mark will save the manipulated photo, and the red circle will close the image without saving the changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.